Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my this video, I will tell you about the Wi-Fi problem in your device OnePlus Nord N10 5G. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get new and updated videos. Let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus Nord N10 5G you are having any Wi-Fi related problem like issue regarding Wi-Fi connectivity or speed, you can solve all this by the method as I am showing in my this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the Wi-Fi not working problem in your device. Let's watch it.